Hey, it's Dave with Old Dad Studio, and tonight I was going to talk about my channel and the statistics around the channel and what's been happening lately. I've seen things really flatten out and actually take a nosedive from where they were a couple of months ago, and it is part of the story of a lot of YouTubers where they're posting and posting and posting, and the statistics and everything take a nosedive. And I'm trying to remember that I'm doing this for fun and that I enjoy making videos and having a creative outlet, and that's why I started this and really in the first place. But you do tend to get caught up in the stats of of your site, and so I've been paying a lot of attention to that lately, and I probably need to back off from that for now and just have fun posting videos. At least that's what I wanted to talk about, and that's what I was really going to dive into. But then the United States decided to bomb Iran. And me talking about my YouTube statistics compared to something like that and what the world is now going to go through seems trivial. It just makes me wonder, are we entering into World War III at least? I mean, that seems to be the big fear, right? Is that we have struck Iran and now we're going to enter into some global war. Are other countries going to hop on the bandwagon and start retaliating across the board? And I think one of the other things, a country like Iran has been at war for years and years and years, and they have had a long-standing hatred towards the United States. And it's not something that's going to go away with them bombing 3 nuclear sites and saying, you better behave now. If it doesn't happen tomorrow, it will happen at some point in time. It's one of those things that typically you would think that you would have an act of Congress to do to go to war with somebody, especially unprovoked, as we were, or as we are. We were not at war with Iran. Iran hadn't done anything to the United States. Israel struck Iran first, and Iran was retaliating with them. So why the United States decided to get involved? And so I think as we enter this time of uncertainty, make sure that you give all of your loved ones an extra hug, and we'll all hunker down together to see what's going to happen. And at some point, we'll come back around to taking a look and a deep dive at the stats of my YouTube channel, but it's not going to be tonight. All right, and that's going to do it for me. Everybody stay safe, and I will see you tomorrow.